In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Royal Bank of Scotland online banking. This process is straightforward, but it's crucial to ensure each step is completed correctly to securely access your online banking services. So let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Royal Bank of Scotland's online banking login page. This can be easily found by searching for Royal Bank of Scotland online banking through your preferred search engine, or you may have it bookmarked if you've visited before. Once you're on the site, look for the login section, which is typically prominent on the home page. Now that you've located the login area, the next step is to enter your customer number. This is a unique identifier given to you when you first registered for online banking with RBS. If you're uncertain about what this number is, it should have been provided in your welcome documentation when from the bank. Make sure to enter it accurately to proceed to the next step. Following the entry of your customer number, you will be prompted to input your personal security details, specifically your PIN and password. Your PIN is a 4-digit number that's essential to access your account. Additionally, you'll need to provide your password, which should be between 6 to 20 characters long. Remember, this password should be something memorable to you, but difficult for others to guess. Keeping a mental note of these details instead of writing them down can help improve your account's security. Once you've entered your customer number, PIN, and password, there may be an additional security verification step. This is an extra measure to protect your account and ensure your online safety. You might receive a text message containing a code sent to your registered mobile number. If this is the case, simply enter the code when prompted to complete this additional verification step. Following these steps will grant you access to your online banking account, where you can manage your funds, view statements, and carry out various banking activities from the convenience of your device. Should you encounter any issues or if anything seems unclear at any point during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to RBS customer service for assistance. They're there to help with any technical difficulties or queries. Always ensure that your contact information is up to date to facilitate smooth verification and communication. That's it for today's guide on logging into your Royal Bank of Scotland online banking account. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and clear. By following these protocols regularly, you'll ensure your online banking experience remains secure and efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay safe online.